How do you measure trolling motor shaft length? Are you curious about how to measure the length of a trolling motor shaft? This is an important step for any fishing enthusiast looking to optimize their boating experience. Getting the right shaft length ensures that your motor operates efficiently and quietly, keeping fish undisturbed. Let's break down the steps to measure it accurately. First, you need to identify where the trolling motor will be mounted on your boat. This could be on the transom, which is the flat back surface, or at the bow, the front of the boat. Knowing the exact mounting point is essential for accurate measurement. Next, grab a tape measure. Measure the vertical distance from your chosen mounting point down to the waterline. Make sure your boat is in the water and properly loaded for the most accurate reading. This measurement is crucial as it sets the foundation for determining the correct shaft length. Now, consider the water conditions. Waves and boat movement can affect the waterline, so it's wise to add some extra length. Typically, adding about 5 inches will help ensure that the propeller remains submerged even in rough waters. If you are using a bow-mounted hand control motor, you will need to add about 9 inches to your measurement. If you plan to steer the motor while standing, consider adding an additional 12 inches. This extra length improves handling and clearance while you are on the water. Once you have your initial measurement and any additional lengths added, it's time to calculate the total shaft length. For example, if your measurement from the mount to the waterline is 15 inches, adding 5 inches for rough water gives you a recommended shaft length of 20 inches. Finally, when selecting a trolling motor, remember that they come in standard lengths, typically ranging from 24 to 60 inches. If your calculated length falls between two sizes, it's better to choose the longer option. A shaft that is too short cannot be extended, while a longer shaft can often be adjusted or trimmed if necessary. Getting the right trolling motor shaft length is essential for effective fishing. A properly submerged propeller reduces noise and turbulence, which can scare fish away. It also helps avoid underwater hazards, as a shaft that is too long may hit rocks or logs. By following these steps, you can ensure that your trolling motor is set up for success on your next fishing trip.